comes from some other beginning's end. A very good morning to the respected dignitaries on and off the dais, honorable principal, staff members and dear students. May the peace and blessings of Almighty be upon all of us.
I am Shravya, and alongside me is
Ashia Najfat,
and together we will be your host for today's program. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to our college special occasion, the annual day episteme 2025, where we celebrate achievements, welcome new leadership and embark on a journey of aspirations.
to begin this auspicious event on a note of gratitude and devotion, let us invite Mr. Mohammed Sawat from 2nd year B Farm to lead us in prayer, followed by Mazin with translation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان صدق الله العلي العظيم.
And the most compassionate, and taught the Quran and created humanity and taught them speech. The sun and the moon travel with precision. The stars and the trees bow down in submission. As for the sky, he raised it high and set the balance of justice, so that you do not defraud the scales. Weigh with justice and do not short measure. He allowed out, O earth for all beings.
Thank you, Sawad and Mazin. A warm smile is a universal language of kindness. To officially commence today's event, I now invite Dr. Mohammad Mubin, Professor and HOD, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, to welcome the gathering.
Dignitaries, colleagues, students, and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. A very warm good morning to everyone present here. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to welcome all of you to the episteme 2025 annual day celebration of PA College of Pharmacy. It is a privilege to stand before you today as we embark on this momentous occasion where we gather to celebrate knowledge, achievements, and the vibrant spirit of our institution. The word episteme symbolizes knowledge, understanding, and intellectual growth. This event is a tribute to the hard work, dedication and talent of our students and faculty. Through episteme 2025, we aim to recognize academic and extracurricular excellence to inspire our students toward greater achievements, encourage holistic development by providing a platform to showcase talents in various fields, motivate future pharmacists by engaging with distinguished academicians and professionals, foster unity and leadership through student initiatives and teamwork. Along with our annual day celebration, we have three major milestones that make this occasion even more special. Number one, inauguration of the Student Council. Leadership is the backbone of any institution, and today we proudly inaugurate our Student Council, which will take on the responsibility of representing students, fostering discipline, and leading initiatives that contribute to the growth of our college. Congratulations to the newly elected members, and we look forward to their proactive contributions. Number two, release of Pharma Ace, our college magazine, a treasure of knowledge, creativity, and student achievements. Pharma Ace captures the academic and extracurricular journey of our students. This magazine is a testament to the innovative ideas and excellence that thrive within our institution. Number three, unveiling of Apotheca, our bulletin. Apotheca serves as an academic and research-oriented bulletin that keeps us informed about the latest advancements in the pharmaceutical world. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome our today's chief guest, Dr. A.R. Shabraya, Ramakrishna Shabraya, Principal of Srinivas College of Pharmacy, Mangalore. This moment is particularly special for me because Dr. Shabraya has played multiple roles in my professional journey. First as my teacher at NGSM Nitte Pharmacy College, then as my colleague and principal at Karavali College of Pharmacy. His guidance, dedication, and immense contributions to the field of pharmacy education have been truly inspiring. Sir, it is an absolute pleasure to welcome you to our institution today. Welcome you, sir.
I request Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal of PACP, to welcome the chief guest with a sapling.
We are delighted to have with us distinguished guests whose presence adds great value to this celebration. They are none other than the principals of our sister institutions, Professor K.P. Sufi, Principal of PA Polytechnic. I welcome you, sir.
So, I request Dr. Salimullah Khan to welcome the guest of honor with the sapling.
Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Principal of PA Institute of Physiotherapy. I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. Sajish Raghunathan to our program. To our Principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, whose visionary leadership continues to inspire and guide us toward academic and professional excellence. I welcome Dr. Salimullah Khan. Wholeheartedly, I welcome Dr. Salimullah Khan to our annual day celebration. I also extend a warm welcome to the media persons who have joined us today, and also my heartfelt welcome goes to Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director of PAET, who always supportive and cooperative in all our programs. Welcome you, sir. Finally, I extend a warm welcome to our faculty members, students, and staffs who are the heart and soul of this institution. Your enthusiasm and participation make this celebration meaningful and memorable. Welcome you all. Let us embark on a day filled with inspiration, learning, and joy as we celebrate episteme 2025. Once again, a warm welcome to all. Thank you one and all.
And achievements of an institution. Up next, we take great pride in unveiling a 5th edition of a college magazine. We request our esteemed dignitaries to do the honors of e-magazine release.
Thank you, sir. It is a moment of double joy for all of us today. Along with celebrating the joy of our magazine release, we are delighted to unveil the latest edition of our quarterly newsletter, Apothika, a reflection of our achievements, insights, and spotlight and event reports. It is with immense pleasure we now invite our esteemed dignitaries to officially release the latest edition of Apothika.
Thank you, esteemed guests, for unveiling this edition. We hope Apothika and Pharma Ace continues to inspire our readers to do more.
The progress of institution is best reflected in its achievements and milestones. To present a comprehensive report of our journey, it is my delight to request our dynamic principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, to give a glimpse on achievements of PA College of Pharmacy during the academic year 2023 and 24.
The chief guest of today's function, Dr. A.R. Shabraya, a good friend of mine. When I requested him, he readily accepted our invitation and he arrived here well in time. Professor K.P. Sufi sir, the vibrant principal of PA Polytechnic, Dr. Sajesh Raghunathan, the principal of PA Institute of Physiotherapy, my colleague Dr. Mubin, all my colleagues, teaching, non-teaching staff, my dear students, Assalamu alaikum, and a warm good morning to one and all. In the name of Almighty, the most beneficent, let me present the annual report of PA College of Pharmacy. The report is presented to the managing trustee, trust members, and the dignitaries on the dais to pursue the report. I am presenting annual report of 2023-24. Our chief patrons, the founder, chairman, late Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji Sahib, may the Almighty bless peace upon him. The managing trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, an young and energetic leader who is a backbone and support for all of us. Our vision is to create a conducive learning atmosphere for sustainable societal development through holistic education, research, and training in all fields of pharmaceutical sciences. Our mission is to creatively mold pharmaceutical professional competence to cater to the local and global healthcare needs through a dynamic and integrated pattern of leadership sculpted by academic excellence, technological achievement, and scholarly pursuits cutting across societal boundaries. Our quality policy is committed to bring result-oriented positive changes in the education, research, and training by continuous upgradation of knowledge skill, and infrastructures towards a better society. This quality policy relentlessly scrutinizes the merits and achievements through well-motivated staff and students, and is appreciated in its full dimension by all the stakeholders of this institution. The academic calendar of 23-24 had 2 semester odd and even semester. We could get 95 working days in the odd semester and 73 working days in the even semester. Total number of days, including holidays, were 128 and 92 respectively. We have B Pharm and D Pharm courses. Both of them are approved by the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences as examining authority and the Board of Examining Authority, Bengaluru. And both the courses are approved by Pharmacy Council of India and recognized by Government of Karnataka. We have 100 intake as of now. We started with 60 intake in B Pharm and 60 intake D Pharm, which is continuing till date. The admission statistics, in 2020 we had a total admission in B Pharm of 57, in 21 84, and in 2022 we restricted it to 60, so we had 52, and in 2023 it is 94, and in diploma we had 49 for 60 in 2022, in 2023 we had 52 for 60 intake. Academic performance in the first year, we have a little poor result, 38 and 42% in first and second semesters, and which gradually improves to second year with 58 and 60% respectively, third year 85 and 87%, and final year 98% in both 7th and 8th semester. And in diploma, we had a good result of 82% in first year and 95% in the second year. These are the distinction holders of our college. We had 17 distinction in first semester and 19 first class. Muhammad Ajmal Rizwan, Miss Rehana, Mr. Muhammad Mazin were placed in the top, and in the second semester, Miss Ashfa, Muhammad Ajmal, Muhammad Mazin were placed in the top. We had 13 distinctions and 12 first class. In the third semester, Nuzha Mariam, Fatima, Asiyat Jazila were placed in the top with distinctions of 8 and first class 18. And in fourth semester, distinction 2, first class 24, Asiyat Jazila and Khatijat Afsina were top. In fact, only 2 distinctions. Fifth semester, 22 distinctions and 38 first class. Ashika KH, Fatima Tafsira, Khatija Jabin were placed in the top. In the sixth semester, Asia Nashida, Khatija and Fatima Tafsira were placed in the top. Seventh semester, Mr. Roshan Putige, Kritika CV and Tamiza were placed in top in the distinction of 15 and 25 first class in the 7th semester, and in the 8th semester 27 distinction and 13 first class. Miss Fatima was topper, Tamiza EK, Pawan and Mr. Ahmad Munawar Sahil were in the top. Our academic and related activities include a National Youth Day where we have conducted essay writing, e-poster presentation, quiz and debate programs for the benefit of the students. We celebrated Freshers' Day, Sports Day we celebrated, and in which Professor Sufi, Dr. Sarfaraz J. Hashim were graced as chief guest and guest of honor. Women's Day was celebrated, and we made a mark by inviting all the women leaders of PIET for this function, and this function was graced by Dr. Geeta D. Kulkarni, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Central Crime Branch, Mangalore. The International Yoga Day was led by Ms. Suruksha Kudwa, who actually led many asanas during the program. And we celebrated Vanamahotsava Day, in which Dr. Smita Hegde, Professor, NUC SER, NITTE deemed to be university, graced as chief guest, along with Mr. Sharfuddin PK AGM and Dr. Shaista Umar, the principal, MMJG College, Haveri. Teachers' Day was celebrated by the students, and Onam Day was also celebrated by the students. National Pharmacovigilance week was conducted, and the theme was building ADR reporting for patient safety, conducted quiz competitions for the students. Dr. Srinivas Mutalik, Principal, Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, graced the Pharmacist Day. The theme of the day was Pharmacist Meeting Global Health Needs. We are very proud of our students. Our students came forward and donated a wheelchair to Tapasya Foundation, which is a palliative care unit, which is a free of cost palliative care unit. Anybody can take shelter there. And staff and students visited to Paschim Rehabilitation Center and conducted a medical camp. This is the house for destitute. It was a very good program, and all the inmates were very happy with our gesture and meeting them and spending some quality time with them. And once again, we are proud of our students who came forward along with our staff, donated about 50,000 rupees to the Wayanad disaster, and it was donated to the Chief Minister Relief Fund, and the Deputy Commissioner of Kasaragod received the check. Then in the co-curricular activities, we conducted series of expert talks. On 3rd of July, we conducted our expert talk as a part of Vanamahotsava. Dr. Smita Hegde spoke on restoring lands, combating desertification, and building drought resilience. Expert talk was arranged for the overseas job and by academically. Learning Lab Research Institute organized interactive session on trending opportunities in clinical research industries, and Dr. Sharmista was the main speaker. Advocate Mudassir Hussain from Mass General Brigham, USA, gave a webinar on intellectual property rights. Ms. Madhurnima Mukherjee and Mr. Gaurav Banerjee from Malsys Private Limited gave an innovative and inspirational talk on the entrepreneurship. This was organized in collaboration with Institutional Innovation. We conducted Orientation Day, in which Mr. Ganesh Kamath, former president of Canberra Chamber of Commerce, graced the occasion, and the first alumni meet was conducted on 1st February 2024. Graduation Day of 2024 was conducted on 1st February. Mr. Vinayak Hegde, Vice President and Vice President Global Infosys Head Delivery Head. Dr. UT Iftikhar Ali, Syndicate Member, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. Mr. Farhad, the Pro-Chancellor of Yenapaya deemed to be university graced this occasion. Followed by which annual day was conducted on 2nd February 2024. Dr. Muhammad Gulzar Ahmed, Principal, Yenapaya College of Pharmacy, graced this occasion and he appreciated our initiatives. We have a collaboration with Make in Turn, IIT Cell, IIT Kharagpur E-Cell, and under which we trained about 40 students here in AI and pharmacogenomics, etc. And 5 students out of them were selected, and they were selected for the zonal championship program, which was held in IIT Delhi on 16th and 17th March 2024. Our student presented a poster entitled Creating a Unified Global Health Crisis Management Strategy. Under continuing education program, all our faculties have taken efforts to update themselves by attending various programs. Dr. Rajisha has attended 5-day faculty development program entitled A Captivating Exploration of Artificial Intelligence Influence on Shaping the Contemporary Landscape in the Healthcare and Essence of Pharmacy. Ms. Nishmita, Ms. Pratika Bandari have attended 1-week International Faculty Development Program on Innovation, Learning and Research in Pharmaceutical Sector A Transforming Era. Ms. Asiyat Najfat, Ms. Nishmita, Ms. Nahida Begum, Ms. Suraksha have attended research methodology conducted by Yenapaya Pharmacy College. Ms. Nishmita has attended 2 days hands-on workshop on mastering design of experiments and quality by design conducted by NITE College of Pharmacy. Dr. Aisha Saurin, Ms. Nishmita, Ms. Nisba, Ms. Shravya have participated in 6th IPC TPS 2024 conducted by the Srinivas College of Pharmacy on innovative practices in clinical training and patient safety. Ms. Asif Najfat, Ms. Fatimat Rehana have participated in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences Helinet Resources and Technology Workshop conducted in Father Muller Medical College. Dr. Salimullah Khan, Mr. Ansad have attended the 73rd Indian Pharmaceutical Congress held in Hyderabad. Dr. Rajisha has attended 6-day e-faculty development program entitled Empowering Educators in Data Analysis Using Excel, Hands-on Experience. Dr. Rajisha has also participated in 2-day online workshop on topic Latest Teaching Methodologies. Mr. Anshad and Ms. Asiyat Najfat participated in a workshop, national level workshop, Genomic Boot Camp Hands-on Training on RT-PCR in Yenapaya College of Pharmacy. Certification courses, Ms. Nishmita has completed NAPTEL 8 weeks online certification course on research methodology. Mr. Anshad, Dr. Aisha Saurin, Dr. Manohar Naik, Ms. Nishmita, Ms. Nisba, Ms. Nahida Begum, Ms. Suraksha Kudwa, Ms. Shravya, Dr. Rajisha have completed self-paced e-learning course on rational use of medicine. Mr. Anup V.S. has completed NAPTEL 8-week-long online course on cell culture technology. Dr. Rajisha has also completed online certification course in ethics review of health research, and she has also participated in NAPTEL 12-week-long programs in 4 areas: biochemistry by IIT Kharagpur, structural biology by IIT Madras, plant development biology by IIT Madras, cell biology by IISc from Jan to March 2024. Faculty achievement. Dr. Salimullah Khan has been nominated the chairman of Board of Studies, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. Dr. Rajisha was recognized as NAPTEL Star because she attended 4 continuous programs. Ms. Nishmita, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, secured first place in poster presentation in IPC TPS in 2024. This is very coveted. Dr. Manohar Nayak has received a patent on the design of rotor rod apparatus for monitoring muscle relaxant activity in mice. Various invited as chairperson, all this Dr. Salimullah Khan attended about 4 and invited guests about 5. In that, Ms. Suraksha Kudwa invited as resource person for first year induction program 2024 held at PA Polytechnic, Mangalore, and delivered a talk on topic tips to lead healthy life. We published 4 research papers during the last year. We entered into 2 memorandum of understanding, one Makintown, ESL IIT Kharagpur and Government Venlock Hospital for our PharmD program. Student support and achievement, 10 students from BPharm have received a total of 48,000 loan under ARIV scheme, and 45 students have received post-matric scholarship. And once again, a big clap for our students. 4 students have received a research grant worth 15,000 each from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. These are the BPharm projects conducted during the previous year. Students' participation in extracurricular activity. We are happy that our students attended Kalagna, and Miss Sultana and the team got second prize in Western dance competition. Many of 28 students and 5 faculty members participated in 6 national level conference on innovation practices in clinical practice and patient safety held in Srinivas College of Pharmacy. In that, Mr. Muhammad Sahil Ismail secured second place in PIL making competition. Mr. Muhammad Sahil Ismail, Munawwar Sahil, Roshan Puttige and Ashura of 4th BPharm secured third place in quiz. PA College of Pharmacy secured third place in photography competition also. MCOP's Research Day was celebrated in which Ms. Hiba Muhammad Iqbal, Ms. Ria, Ms. Jumana Jabin and Ms. Nashida of 3rd year BPharm students were participated. Sports activity, the Rajiv Gandhi University Mysore Zone chess tournament was attended by our men's chess team, and Rajiv Gandhi University men's badminton was attended by our men's badminton team. Rajiv Gandhi men's football tournament was attended in Sulya. Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences chess competition monsoon trophy, in which 2 of our students, Taib and Ashraf, participated, and Mr. Taib performed excellently well and securing 6 points out of 8, finished in 10th position in chess competition. Our students of diploma visited the Shobhavana in Mudbidri. Our students of final year BPharm visited New Delhi, and there was one workshop conducted in collaboration with the Jamia Hamdard and PA College of Pharmacy, the Center for Excellence in Unani Medicine, in collaboration with PA College of Pharmacy, our students attended this one-day program. Visited our students under IIC visited the incubation center of PA College of Engineering. Dr. Krishna Prasad, the HOD of Biotechnology, was kind enough to take our students around the incubation center. Our students visited two industries in Baddi. One is Polestar Industries Pharma Division and Sri Dhanvantri Herbals, both in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Our students have been placed in all these places. Like our recent addition is Aster Healthcare in Dubai, KMC, Yennopaya, Highland, Venlock Hospital, KIMS, Doctor Hospital. All these places our students have been already placed. Our new addition in the faculty, Dr. Inayatullah, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmaceutics, Ms. Suraksha Kudwa, Ms. Aishat Najfat, Ms. Rima have been added to Department of Pharmaceutics. Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Mr. Ajish, Ms. Kavya, Mr. Mahin Abdul Rahman, Mr. Nihal are added to Department of Chemistry. Department of Pharmacology, Ms. Nisba, Ms. Aishat Saurin, Ms. Fatima Rehana, and Department of Pharmacognosy, Anshad Dosi. We have procured new instruments, Shimadzu UV visible spectrometer worth 6,60,000, Flare Pro software 2,75,000, Brookfield viscometer worth 3,58,000. Our extension activities include the additional 2 courses for PA College of Pharmacy, the M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics and PharmD program, which we are going to start from the next batch. And the management was kind enough to sanction a building about 40,000 square feet, which is almost in the completion stage. The future plan includes preparation and planning for the commencement of new courses, M.Pharm in Pharmacology, which we have already applied to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, and we will apply to the Pharmacy Council of India in due course. We are proposing new equipment in HPLC, probe sonicator, high-speed homogenizer, cold refrigerator, proposed to register in NIRF ranking in the coming days, and proposed to go for NAC once the binary system is implemented. With this, I wholeheartedly thank the management, especially the vibrant managing trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, for his continued support, and the trust members, all other departments of PIET for their continuous support. I also thank all the institutional heads in our campus who have been a very good support in all our endeavors. Thank you very much. And most importantly, I must thank my faculty members, my teaching and non-teaching staff, especially all the students who have been part of this growth. Please remember, this growth will not happen without you. You are the stars in this growth. Thank you very much. Thank you, Anand.
Who have joined us today. I wholeheartedly welcome you for this program, sir.
We are honored to have Dr. A.R. Shabaraya, Principal of Srinivas College of Pharmacy, as the chief guest today. Dr. A.R. Shabaraya, a distinguished academician, researcher and director of Srinivas College of Pharmacy, Mangalore, In addition to his academic president of Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Dakshin Kannada district, where he actively contributes to the advancement of 220 research publications to his credit, Dr. Shabaraya has made significant contributions to pharmaceutical science, particularly in the areas of drug formulation, regulatory affairs, and innovative drug delivery system. His expertise and commitment to excellence have inspired countless students and professionals in the field. We are truly privileged to have him with us today. Let's extend a warm welcome to Dr. A.R. Shabaraya. I now invite him to share his words of wisdom with us. Over to you, sir.
At the outset, I would like to thank my good friend, Dr. Salimullah Khan, who is not joined or not participated any of these events. In this auditorium, can I see a person who is not participated or contributed any of this event? No. Yes, that is the success of your academic event. That is the success of your academic year. Yes, today, it is a time for witnessing your achievement. It is a time for witnessing giving the appreciation for your talent. This is the time to appreciate all of you for your contribution to the society, contribution to the institution, and contribution to the educational institutions. You might have gone through that. Which area is not tapped in that? Education sector? Yes, your contribution to the society through NSS activity. Healthcare, you are providing the education, health camps, and you are exposed to sports. In all the areas, and along with that, you might have seen the bar graph of your academic performance. First year, second year, third year, and fourth year. Starting from 45 to 98. That is the sign of growth. That is the performance what you have achieved. I take the opportunity to congratulate your principal and staff at this moment for giving a wonderful support for all of you to give such a beautiful achievement here. Dear students, always we are providing the platform and we are asking, in olden days in the class, teachers used to ask, tell me a square plus b square, or expand that mathematics formula. Now it is not like that. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. B cube plus c cube, what is required in the society for your achievement? Can you tell me what is a c cube? Earlier it was only the mathematical formula, a cube plus b cube or a square plus b square. But in the society, we are expecting c cube plus d cube. Your competency, your confidence, and your communication. C cube, your competency, you will get it from the studies in the atmosphere, what you are getting from your teachers, or by reading. Confidence, once your knowledge is sound, yes, you are confident to face any situation, write the examination, or approach anywhere. But you have to develop a skill, that is communication. Even you have a sound knowledge, but sometimes you may fail to get the good rank or good appreciation just because of our failure in the communication. That is also very important. These three terms, if you remember, yes, that is one key for success. To get the success, you have to follow D cube. You should have a strong determination. You should have a strong determination. You should have dedication on your service, on your work. And always you should not forget your discipline. If you follow discipline, dedication, and determination, yes, no one can overtake you until your determination is strong enough to succeed. In this world, no one can overtake you until your determination is strong enough to succeed. And I wish you all the best at this moment. I'll see a few more feathers come up in this college. Thank you.
A distinguished dignitary, I invite Dr. Ramesh MK, Principal of Pace College, to deliver the address.
Respected Chief Guest of today, Salimullah Khan sir, Principals of Sister Concerns, faculty members, and my dear students. peer group of institutions, when they started the journey in the year 2000, with the inception of PA College of Engineering in this campus, now we are a part of a group, PACE group, which has got around 35,000 plus students, more than 5,000 teaching and non-teaching faculty members, and spread across the globe, especially in the Middle East and the South Indian part, representing more than 80 nationalities. And PA College of Pharmacy is also a recent add-on from 2018 onwards to this big group, which has actually added lot of feathers on the cap of this whole group. So first of all, I congratulate Salimullah Khan sir and his complete team for bringing proud moments for this whole group. Previously, if you know, there was one TV called as Onida TV. Have you heard about it? ONIDA, Onida. There was a very famous advertisement tag for this Onida TV. You remember anyone? What is the tag for Onida TV advertisement? Owners, remember? Owners' pride and neighbors' envy. That was the tag for Onida TV. Owners' pride and neighbors' envy, ENVY. So Salimullah Khan sir, being the owner of PA College of Engineering, can be always proud of his campus, and of course he has got the right, having done a big leap in the last 7 years. So the first 7 overs, the run rate is good, and now the thing is, overs are yet to come. It can be a 20 over match, it can be 50 overs match, or it can be 100 overs match. Whatever may be, you have to be very careful and very vigilant in the next coming up years. Sir, in the last few slides have told about the plans of growth for the institution. He told about the NIR of registration. So we should have a plan, including the students, because you are the real workforce, faculty members, because any institution will grow based on the resources. Usually we tell that there are 3 resources. One is man in the sense human resources, man, money, material. So in this, the most powerful resource is the man resource. If you talk about the man resource, the faculty resources and the teaching resources, teaching, not teaching faculty resources, and over and above your student resources. I'll give an example. You see, you may be doing a final year project or a thesis as a part of your curriculum. So one student may be doing alone or as a group. When you do as a group or alone, sometimes you may spend around 300 or 400 hours together to develop your project or thesis. So if there are some 100 students coming out in 1 year, you can just imagine 300 into 100, how many hours? It is around 30,000 man hours is spent on doing the project. But finally the question is, what is the outcome of this 30,000 man hours? What is the product this academia has brought into the market after spending this 30,000 hours? Or what is the contribution to the research community, or what is the contribution to the applied area from this 30,000 man hours? And this 30,000 man hours has to be utilized, has to be channelized. The channelizing responsibility is basically to the faculty members. So the faculty members also have got a very big role. So when you talk about NIRF, when you talk about NAC, in the next coming days or next coming years, the competition, because it's not that we increase the speed, because NIRF is relative, it is not absolute. I increase my speed from 10 to 15, but my nearby college increase the speed from 10 to 20, I am still at the back. So we have to be competent. We have to look around. We should not make the benchmark for myself the same our institution's performance in the previous year. That should not be my benchmark. We should be aware of what is happening around. So in this context, anyways, Salimullah Khan sir is working on it hard. What I would like to convey to the students is, the student community should take up it. One is, your first thing is your academics, and you are performing very well. Keep it up. That is one thing, because that is a base. Above academics, what is a research component or what is the innovation component, whatever things you can do in this domain, that has to be properly planned. And when the institution grows with MPharm and PharmD and other courses, I understand that this will also actually bring an ecosystem in the campus. When I talk about ecosystem, when I come to this hall, if it is hot, I feel hot. Nobody has to tell me that you should feel hot. If this hall is completely air conditioned, it is very cold. When I enter, I feel it is cold. Similarly, when somebody enters your pharmacy campus, the ecosystem of academic excellence, the ecosystem of research and innovation excellence, the ecosystem of something beyond your curriculum, really expressing your talents. Usually, I talk to my students during these annual days and all, because finally you should grow into a multi-dimensional personality. A student who is good in academics, who is good in talents, everything. So these platforms what you get, yes, it should have a component of entertainment, yes, it's true. But more than that, these platforms should be a place to express your talents. Unfortunately, today's generation is more focused on impressing others rather than expressing yourself. Impressing others at the expense of expressing yourself is a disaster. So these few things, if we take care, I feel that within a short span of time, I think sir will completely cut it down into some plan for 5 years or 10 years. In how many years we should reach there, we should reach here. So for that, the complete student community and the teaching faculty should give a big support to Salimullah Khan sir and the management. And I hope that if we go with this run rate at this 7th over, I feel this PA College of Pharmacy, and I wish we stand in one of the top 10 or 20 or 30 or at least top 100 colleges in the whole country, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Day in and day out. Academic excellence deserves recognition, and today we honor the dedication and hard work of our students. To felicitate the academic toppers, I request Dr. Rajisha, HOD of Pharmacognosy Department, to kindly do the honor by reading their names.
My dear students, a warm good morning. And it's my honor and privilege to announce the academic topper of the year 23-24. The academic topper from first year, B.Pharm, the first place goes to Mr. Mohammad Ajmal Rizwan.
I request our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Shabraya, to honor our academic toppers.
The second place goes to Ms. Rayanat. Third place, Mr. Mohammad Mazin. Now I request Dr. Ramesh MK to give the certificate to the students. The second semester, first place goes to Ashfa Aisha. Second place, Mohammad Ajmal Raswan. Mazen. Second year B Farm, third semester. First place goes to Nuza Mariam KS. Second place, Miss Fatima K. Third place, Asiyat Jasila. Fourth semester, first place goes to Asiyat Jasila. And second place, Miss Khadija Afsina. Third place, Miss PK Aishat Rihana and Miss Nafisat Misriya. Fifth semester, thank you, Dr. Ramesh sir.
I request our guest of honor, Sufi sir, to honor academic toppers.
Fifth semester, first place goes to Ashika Gage. Second place, Ms. Fatima Tashrifa. Third place, Khadijat Lamad Jabin. Sixth semester, first place goes to Asia Nashida. Second, Khadija Lamlad Jabin. And third place, Fatima Tashrifa. Okay, thank you, sir. Congratulations for all the winners and wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
And gratitude, we would like to present a memento to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. A.R. Shabraya, Principal of Srinivas College of Pharmacy, for gracing this occasion with his presence and insights. I request our Principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, to kindly present the memento to Dr. A.R. Shabraya.
Thank you. are delighted to share a moment of great pride with you all. Our very own principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, has been appointed as the chairman of Board of Studies UG in Pharmacy, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Bangalore. A well-deserved recognition of his expertise and leadership in the field of pharmacy education. To honor this remarkable achievement, we request dignitaries on the dais to felicitate Dr. Salimullah Khan with a token of appreciation. Let's give him a huge round of applause for this prestigious recognition.
Thank you, sir, and wishing you very all the best for your future endeavors. I invite Professor K.P. Sufi, Principal PAPT, who will share his insights with us.
Good morning to everybody. Let me repeat, Assalamu alaikum. Respected today's chief guest, Dr. A.R. Abrar is the principal of Pharmacy College, Srinivas College of Pharmacy, Palachil. Then you are very much loved, respected Principal Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal of PA College of Physiotherapy, Dr. Sajeesh Raghunathan, Vice Principal Dr. Muhammad Mubin, all faculty members, all my dear students. PA College of Pharmacy is shining, So congratulations to you all. See, we have understood the capacity of you students by looking at your annual report. You have involved in all the fields. You are involved in all the fields. Academic fields, co-curriculum, extracurriculum, community connected, in all fields you are involved. This is happening because you are vibrant, charming. What else I can say? Your principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan. Give a big round of applause. Really, you are all lucky. You are all lucky that you have got such a finest principal. My dear students, today is your day of recognition. Say, why I have said the congratulations to you all? Because just 2-3 days back, the spectacular event the spectacular event, graduation day took place. Blood donation camp. See, in all fields, PA College of Pharmacy is shining. Very good faculty members, and you yourself are also very good students. No complaint received so far. I am in this campus since 2011. My daughter was the first student of this campus. She studied her BE in computer science and became faculty for 1 year in this campus. Now she is in US. And I understood that by looking at you, the whole pharmaceutical field is dominated by ladies, female students. I asked with the principal of pharmacy, College of Pharmacy, Srinivas College of Pharmacy. Sir has said that is in our college also, majority of the students are ladies. He added that all the colleges, majority of the students are ladies. Therefore, I said the pharmaceutical field is completely dominated by the ladies. So today, I don't want to speak much because the right from 9:45, so you are sitting there. You are sitting there. You might say, if I speak more means you might get bored. Just 2 points I will tell. Just 2 points. See, you must do hard work. See, see, to get the recognition, you should do hard work. Without hard work, you cannot achieve anything. No alternative for hard work. No alternative. Simply you cannot get success. Simply you cannot get success. Success you cannot purchase. By doing hard work only you will get the success. Therefore, you should involve in all the opportunities. Whatever the opportunities you are getting in your college, you should involve, because experience is required. You are all theoretical fit, but practical experience is required. How you are getting practical experience? By involving in all the opportunities. Whatever the opportunities you are getting in the college, that you should do all. This golden period you won't get after some time. This is the golden period. This is the innovation time. Okay, searching time. So you should make utilize of this opportunity. Then only you can come up. Simply you cannot become pharmacist. Simply you cannot become professionals. You should do hard work. Another thing is, see, to become a complete student, not only academic is not sufficient. Now only academic or this one is not sufficient. If you get 100 marks also, if you cannot perform, it is of no use. That is why involvement in all the curriculum, co-curriculum, extra-curriculum, whatever the opportunities you are getting, that is, you should involve. Another thing is I wanted to add value-based education, value-based life. The principled life you have to lead. Whatever the position you may get, whatever the position you may attain, but you should lead the life in a value-based life you should lead. In a principled life you should lead. See, you should become more human. You should become more human. You should not forget your parents. That is a very, very important thing. You should not forget your parents. Nowadays, youngsters, after attaining the good position, after getting married, they are forgetting their parents. Now, you should not forget. So I will tell you a small story, just 2 minutes. See, one lady, her children were working in abroad. one old lady, her children were working in abroad. See, after marriage, after marrying, getting children, coming to native place become very rare. Years together, she has not seen her sons. So what happened is, once he went to, always he is weeping, always he is weeping. Once he went to one medical shop, then he went up to that counter, and that sales executive is asking, what grandmother, what grandma, what do you want? She is keeping mum. Again, after some time, again that sales executive asking, grandma, what do you want? Tell me. She is just weeping only. Grandma, you tell me what do you want? She never told. Okay. Then, after some time, this sales executive, seeing that old lady nearby under the tree, this sales executive went up to that grandma. Then with great sorrow, that grandma was uttering, any medicine to forget my children. You have any medicine to forget my children? It should not happen. See, you are all in this position because of your parents, your teachers. Therefore, you should not forget those parents and your faculty members. So with this, and always see, you all become big professionals. Big professionals. See, after B Pharma, you may go for M Pharm, or you can join in some company. Okay, you will earn money. But always, you earn good money. Always you good money. So self-respect, you should maintain self-respect in your life. So with this, I conclude my speech, and thank you for the opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. A.R. Shabraya Sir, Salimullah Sir, K.P. Sufi Sir, Mubin Sir, dear faculty members, dear students, distinguished guests, a very good morning to one and all gathered here. It's an honor and privilege to stand before you today on the special occasion, the annual day of PA College of Pharmacy. This event marks the celebration of all the hard work and dedication and achievements that you have accomplished together as a college community over the past years. Pharmacy, as we know, it's not just a field of science, it's a noble profession that plays a crucial role in ensuring health and well-being of society. Your mission as a pharmacy student is not only to gain academic knowledge, but also to develop the skills, the ethics, and compassion needed to improve lives through the safe and effective use of medicine. A future pharmacist, you will be the bridge between the people who need it most. When I say the bridge between the people who need it most, I remember one incident, it's in my duty, where I was working in Sakra World Hospital. So most of the time, I was a part of a neuro rehab where I had an opportunity to work with one of the leading surgeons of India, neurosurgeons, Dr. Swaroop Gopal and Dr. Satish Rudrapa. So in the neuro ICU, when we go treat patients, so you all must have gone to ICUs, isn't it? You must be seeing a lot of monitors over there. Okay. So most of the time, the ICUs are silent. Suddenly you can hear the beep sound of those monitors. They start beeping up, recognizing that something is gone with the patient. Something is gone wrong with the patient. Suddenly the doctors rush in, the nurses rush in. They declare, okay, the patient is going to have a cardiac arrest, CPR. They go for the CPR. the next thing what they're going to do is they load the medicine and they inject the patient. And once the medicine is on run in your body, suddenly you can see all the vitals coming under control. So I always used to think, yes, doctors are there, nurses are there, physios are there, but if there was that medicine not there, what would have been the fate of that patient? Definitely the patient would have died, isn't it? So why I want to say this here is, when most of the students come to college, they take different professions, and most of the time they are not aware the importance of their profession. They always think, oh, I have done pharmacy, I have done physiotherapy, but they don't have the the enthusiasm, say that, like, I have done physiotherapy or pharmacy, because they don't know the value of you in the community. Saving a life, it's not a simple thing, isn't it? Yes? Yes, getting life back to your patient, it's a very, very noble thing, isn't it? So you are a part of that community and you should be very much proud in that. And next time you see somebody asks, what is your profession? You should be proud and stand to say that I am a pharmacist. And you can also say that I save life, isn't it? You can see from the ancient time onwards, we had multiple diseases like smallpox, cholera, malaria, all those things which has taken millions of life. And we are able to eradicate those things because of you people's hard work, what you have put forward, and in creating those medicines against that. So be proud, be a pharmacist, okay? And rest I want to say is that whether it is participating in extracurricular activities, engaging in community outreach programs, or supporting each other through challenging times, it is a sense of togetherness that has truly made these years memorable. As you celebrate today, you also must remember the responsibility you carry as future pharmacists. The world is changing rapidly and healthcare systems are evolving. As we move forward, we must be adaptable, compassionate, and innovative. We must stay committed to lifelong learning, be advocates for public health, and work diligently to make a meaningful impact on your communities. Thank you, and I wish everyone continued success and growth in all their future endeavors. Thank you.
Is in bringing people together and celebrating creativity. We now move on to the prize distribution for cultural events. I request Ms. Nahida to call the names of winners of various cultural events.
Good morning, everyone. Esteemed guests, faculty, and my dear students, a warm welcome to our annual day celebration. Today we gather not only to start celebrate our new year, and also students which held in cultural week events. So upcoming is a prize distribution. So I would like to call Ms. Dr. Shabraya to distribute the prize for magazine coverage competitions, and the first prize goes to Mohammad Arsalan, 4th year B Farm. Second prize goes to Mohammad Altaf, 2nd year B Farm. Third place goes to Mohammad Sawa, 2nd year B Farm. And Fatimat Raufat, 1st year B Farm. Now the prizes for the stand-up comedy events. First place goes to Mohiddin Taib, 4th year B Farm. Second place goes to Suhana Parvin Sheikh, 4th year B Farm. Third place goes to Faima Raiza, 4th year B Farm. Next is a Mehendi competition. So first place goes to Shamin Naz and Nafisa Rafa, 1st year B Farm. Shamin Naz and Nafisa Rafa, 1st year B Farm. Second place goes to Nafisa Naurin and Ishana, 1st year B Farm. Third place goes to Khadija and Jamila Sarfunisa.
To your problems, keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, music is the answer.
Okay. Face painting, first place goes to Aishat Naida and Nafisat Nihala. Second place goes to Arsalan and Ankush Loni. Third place goes to Fatima Shamna and Khadija, 4th B Farm. First place goes to Fatimat Nadira Fida Aishat Naida, 4th B Farm. I request our principal to hand over the prizes. Second place goes to Aminat Jasira, B Fatima Shaima, Fatimat Mashrufa, 1st year B Farm. So, 1st year diploma. Third place goes to Aisha Sana, Hajarat Afra, Mariam Safa Hasna, 1st diploma. I request Dr. Shabrai to hand over the prizes to the next winners. Spot advertisement. First place goes to Mohammad Mazin, Rizwan, Mikdad, Alimat, 2nd B Farm. Farm. Third place goes to Awal Abiba, Asya Nashida, Naima Fatima, Fatima Ashfia, 4th B Farm. I request Dr. Mubin sir to hand over the prizes for the singing with instrument. First place goes to Mohammad Afzal, Saeed Ahmad Sana, Imtiaz Haidar and Nadeem, 4th year B Farm. Second place goes to Adil Abubakar Hassan, Rafi, Sawad, 2nd B Farm.
My estate when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. What I'm sipping, I can kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the E right now.
Second place, Adil Abubakar, Rafi, Sawad, Abbas, Safi.
Ellos están buscando cámaras, yo estoy buscándome el efectivo. Me tratan de matar como que les algo vivo. La cotorra que tengo lo manda para el intensivo. La guerra no ha empezado, ya se le acaban los tiros. Afuera tengo un panamera.
Third place goes to Suzna, Azira, Azmia, Ashfana, 1st diploma.
Salimos para la carretera, la gente a mí me pregunta y yo le digo que yo estoy yo le digo que yo estoy
Now I request Sufi sir to hand out the prizes for the cooking without fire competition. First place goes to Naushina, Nishma, Sadia, Rizwana, Minnat, 1st diploma. And it is shared by 2 classes, Jumana, Javeen, Ijlal, Sahala and Hiba. Second place goes to Rashika PA, Fatima Naja, Ishana, Aisha Shaibana, Zaibana Riza, 1st B Farm.
Dando la para con la gente de los minas. Tenemos el piquete que a tu jefa le fascina. Llegamos a tu casa en guagua de doble cabina. Te agarramos por el pecho y te doy con las campesinas. Prendí, vámonos Mariana. Le empuñamos par de mal y la metemos en la cajuela. Tenemos el VIP casi botando candela. Me siguen preguntando y yo le digo que yo sigo, 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 que yo sigo. Marianela.
Third place goes to Nisha K, Anisha, Suwana Parveen, Mohammad Raihan, 4th B Farm.
Súbeme la música DJ, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
Third place Nisha, Anisha, Suwana Parveen, Raihan, Saman, 4th B Farm.
Ellos están buscando cámaras, yo estoy buscándome el efectivo. Me tratan de matar como que les algo vivo. La cotorra que tengo lo manda para el intensivo. La guerra no ha empezado, ya se le acaban los tiros. Afuera tengo un panamera.
Now I request Dr. Sajish to distribute the prizes for Mimika movie scene. Dr. Sajish sir to distribute the prizes. So first place goes to 4th B Farm, Amnaz and team.
Salimos para la carretera, la gente a mí me pregunta y yo le digo que yo estoy Marianela. pasa? Dame una botella de cake, ¿qué pasa? Ando con los tigres de Guay, ¿qué pasa? Ando la barra con la gente de escrito rey, guay, súbeme la música DJ, ¿qué pasa? Dame una botella de cake, ¿qué pasa? Ando con los tigres de Guay, ¿qué pasa? Ando la barra con la gente de escrito rey.
Second place goes to third B farm Ibrahim Khalil Jistin and team. Now, winners for the reels competition. First place goes to third B farm Shifana. Second place goes to Suzna first D farm. Third place goes to fourth B farm Fatimat Nadia. Now I request Dr. Shabarai sir to give the prize for the plug card competition. Okay, and the first place goes to fourth year B farm. Now the most awaited prize, I request our principal Dr. Salimullah Khan and Shabarai sir to hand over the prize for the overall championship of the cultural event. It goes to fourth year B farm. I congratulate all the winners. Thank you.
Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. The time has come to bid farewell to our outgoing student council and welcome the new leadership. We now invite our outgoing president, Ms. Sahadia, and our new president, Ms. Hiba, along with their chief guest, to officially inaugurate the new student council for the academic year 2024-25.
Thank you. Before we pass the torch to the next leadership, let us hear from our outgoing president, Ms. Sahadiya, as she shares a brief report on her journey and contributions.
Respected lecturers, fellow students and dear friends, a very good morning to you all. It is both an honor and an emotional moment for me to stand before you today as I present the annual report of our esteemed institution. The past year has been a journey of growth, learning and achievements, and I prepared to hand over my responsibilities to my junior. I want to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude. First and foremost, I extend my sincere thanks to our esteemed faculty and lecturers for entrusting me with the responsibility of serving as the President of Pharma Student Forum 2024. This role has been a significant learning experience, allowing me to grow as a leader while working alongside an incredible team of students and faculty. I am deeply grateful for the unwavering support and guidance I have received throughout this journey. The Student Council for the year 2024 was officially formed on February 19, 2024, marking the beginning of an incredible journey. I was fortunate to work with a team of exceptionally dedicated individuals who played a vital role in making this year memorable. Each one of them has been a pillar of strength, contributing their skills, ideas, and efforts to ensure that every event and initiative was executed successfully. I wholeheartedly thank my team for their unwavering support, enthusiasm, and commitment. Now, let us take a moment to reflect on the remarkable journey of the past year, highlighting the various academic, cultural, and extracurricular activities that have enriched our college life. Moving on to key events and achievements of the year 2024, our annual Sports Day was a thrilling two-day event which was held on 6th and 7th March, filled with intense competition, team spirit, and sportsmanship. Students actively participated in various athletic and team sports events, making it a grand success. Further, we had organized Women's Day celebration on March 14, 2024. Last year's Women's Day celebration was a milestone event for our council. We had the honor of inviting Ms. Geeta Kulkarni, the Assistant Commissioner of Police, as our chief guest. The event was beautifully hosted by Ramlat, who served as the Master of Ceremony. A major highlight of this event was the official naming and inaugurating of our Student Council as the Pharma Student Forum with the title Augment. This marked a new beginning for student leadership in our institution. Additionally, a new initiative was introduced to felicitate women leaders of our institution PAET as a tribute to their contribution and leadership. To engage students, several competitions were also conducted. Moving on to Teachers' Day celebration, which was celebrated on September 5th, 2024. On Teachers' Day, we honored our dedicated faculty members with a formal program filled with gratitude and appreciation. The event was wonderfully hosted by Nehima as the Master of Ceremony. The celebration continued with a series of fun games for lecturers, adding a joyful and engaging touch of the day. Apart from these major events, our Pharma Students Forum took an active role in organizing and supporting several initiatives that enriched our college environment. Throughout the year, we worked towards promoting academic excellence, fostering creativity, and enhancing student engagement. We also encouraged participation in intercollegiate competitions such as Kalajna, where our students showcased their talents in cultural, sports, and academic events. Many of our students brought laurels to the institution, making us proud with their achievements. Our college actively participated in sports such as throwball, football, kabaddi, chess, etc., giving students a platform to display their athletic skills and sportsmanship. The enthusiasm and dedication shown by the participants were commendable, reflecting the spirit of teamwork and perseverance. Community outreach was a significant focus of our initiatives. Our student forum stood alongside our lecturers, offering support in organizing awareness campaigns, health camps, and social service programs. We assisted in coordinating old age home visits, free medical checkups, and health awareness program in collaborating with healthcare professionals, ensuring a positive impact on society. Additionally, with faculty guidance, we actively participated in tree plantation drive, promoting environmental sustainability by planting saplings within and around the campus. To enhance student engagement and unity, we supported our lecturers in hosting various informal events, including festivals, talent shows, and cultural fests. These events provided students with a platform to showcase their creativity beyond academics, and we ensured that every student had the opportunity to participate and express themselves. Our council also worked towards improving student representation and communication by actively gathering feedback and addressing concerns. We made sure that students' voices were heard, and we collaborated with faculty to implement positive changes wherever possible. These activities, both big and small, played a crucial role in making our campus life vibrant and engaging, ensuring that students not only focused on academics but also enjoyed a holistic learning experience. As I stand here today, ready to pass on the responsibility to my successor, I feel immense pride and everything we have accomplished as a team. The support from our lecturers, the dedication of my fellow council members, and the enthusiasm of student community have made this journey an unforgettable one. I express my deepest gratitude to everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. May our institution continue to thrive, and the may student of this college always shine with excellence. With that, I now officially sign off from my role as president and proudly hand over my post to my junior and dear friend Fatima Hiba. I have full confidence in her leadership and dedication, and I know she will continue to take this council to greater heights. I wish her and the new team all the very best for a successful and impactful tenure. Thank you and all the best.
As she shares her plans and aspirations for the upcoming term.
And committed to making this year impactful for every student on campus. Over the next academic year, the Student Council focuses on three main core goals: enhancing student engagement, fostering inclusivity, and improving campus resources. First, we hope to prioritize enhancing student engagement by creating more opportunities for involvement, whether through clubs, events, or volunteer activities. It's important that every student feels connected, whether it's through campus-wide events or open forums or simply having more spaces for meaningful conversations. We're all part of this campus, and together we can make it stronger. We want every student to feel they have a place to belong and a way to contribute to our vibrant community. Second, fostering inclusivity will be at the heart of everything we do. We mean to ensure that all the voices are heard and valued. We'll work to create spaces where every student feels respected and supported. We hope to ensure that the concerns of the students are heard, your ideas are supported, and your reasonable requirements met. Lastly, we focus on improving campus resources. This involves advocating for better facilities and events and ensure students have access to the tools they need to succeed both academically and personally. Whether it's expanding leadership opportunities or providing more resources for student-driven projects, my goal is to give you the tools and the confidence to make an impact on this campus and the community as a whole. Together, we can build a year of positive change, growth, and connection, where every student has the opportunity to thrive. I'm excited to work with all of you and make this an unforgettable year. Now, I would like to introduce the Vice President of Student Council, Mr. Muhammad Shahil of 2nd D Farm, and I request the Vice President to further introduce the other council members.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank principal and teaching faculties for bestowing this role over me. Without further ado, I would like to move on to introduce other members of Student Council. I would like to introduce Secretary Ibrahim Khalil Jistin of 3rd B Farm. Mariam Shala Tasneem of 2nd B Farm. Treasurer Khatija Afsina of 3rd B Farm. Student Magazine Editor Nafisa Sahana of 3rd B Farm. Sports Secretary Nizamuddin Shahs of 3rd B Farm. Cultural Student Coordinator Suharna Neya of 3rd B Farm. And at last, NSS Student Coordinator Rakib Hussain of 3rd B Farm.
Thank you and wishing the entire committee good luck.
To mark the beginning of this new tenure, we now invite Ms. Hiba to lead the oath-taking ceremony for the newly elected council members.
Fatima Hiba, President of the Student Council. Do solemnly swear to uphold the values of this council and our college with dedication, integrity, and a strong sense of responsibility. I pledge to serve the student body with fairness, respect, and compassion. I promise to listen to the voices of my fellow students, to advocate for their needs, and to work together with my fellow council members to create an inclusive and a positive environment for all. I strive to foster leadership, collaboration, and a sense of community. I take this responsibility seriously and commit to representing our college values with honor. I lead by example and empower others to contribute their ideas and talents for the betterment of our college. Thank you.
Thank you and all the best to the new committee members. No event is complete without acknowledging the efforts of those who made it possible. To deliver the vote of thanks, we invite Rajisha ma'am to express our gratitude.
As we come to the end of this memorable annual day, episteme 2025, I would like to take a moment to express our gratitude to everyone who has made this event possible. First and foremost, I extend my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. A.R. Shabaraya, Principal, Srinivas College of Pharmacy. We thank you for your inspiring presence and thought-provoking address. And your formula C cube and D cube will remain with us for a long time. Thank you, sir. My thanks to Honorable Managing Trustee in absentia for their continuous support for all such celebrations. A special thanks to Dr. Ramiz MK, Principal, PA College of Engineering, who have taken time out of his busy schedule to grace this occasion with his presence and motivating words. Our sincere gratitude, Dr. Sachish Raghunathan, who spared time from his busiest schedule to grace this occasion and for his inspiring words. A heartfelt appreciation to Professor K.P. Supi for gracious presence and inspiring stories and remind us about the human values. Thank you, sir. A special mention to our respected principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, for being a catalyst that stimulates us to do our best and standing as a pillar of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank for your untiring efforts. Thank you, sir. I extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Mohammad Mubin, Vice Principal, PA College of Pharmacy. Thank you, sir. A heartfelt gratitude to HODs, HODs of all the department, teaching, non-teaching staffs for your enormous cooperation in the organization of this event. Thank you. I owe a special gratitude to Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director, PA Educational Trust. Your tireless efforts behind the scenes have made this event a grand success. Thank you, sir. I thank all the distinguished invitees present here accepting our invitations. I thank the members of media for inviting interest in covering this event. A huge thanks to the technical team for ensuring seamless experience today. Thank you. A special thanks to our Master of Ceremony, whose excellent hosting skill made this event more engaging and smooth coordination ensured a flawless flow of our program. And we appreciate your hard work. Finally, sincere appreciation to my dear students for the smooth and orderly conduct of this annual day celebrations. Thank you, all the students. Once again, thank you to one and all present here. Thank you, everyone.
अनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय